Want to look like $1,000,000 without actually spending it? Stick around, because I'm about to share 10 style secrets that will make you look chic and elegant without breaking the bank. Trust me, you don't need designer labels to look like a fashion pro, buddy. Hack 1. Accessorize wisely. First things first, accessories can make or break your look. Choose classic pieces like a bold statement, necklace, a timeless watch, or a stylish scarf. These small additions can instantly elevate a simple outfit. Hack 2. Invest in basics. You don't need a closet full of clothes, just a few high-quality basics. A crisp white shirt, a pair of well-fitting jeans, and a tailored blazer or wardrobe essentials that scream elegance. Hack 3. Stick to neutral colors. Neutrals, like black, white, beige, and navy, always look sophisticated. Mixing and matching these colors creates a cohesive and polished look effortlessly. Hack 4. Proper fit is key. Nothing looks more luxurious than clothes that fit you perfectly. If you find a great piece, but it doesn't fit quite right, consider taking it to a tailor. Proper fit makes even inexpensive clothes look high-end. Hack 5. Add layers for depth. Layering adds complexity to your outfit. Think of throwing a cardigan over a dress, or wearing a chic coat over your everyday attire. It's a simple trick to look instantly fashionable. Hack 6. Use a belt to define your waist. A belt can do wonders for your silhouette. It can instantly make your look more put together, especially when you're styling loose or flowy pieces. Hack 7. Focus on footwear. Shoes are a game changer. Invest in a few pairs of classic, well-made shoes like black flats, neutral heels, or ankle boots. A good pair of shoes can elevate even the simplest outfits. Hack 8. Go for minimalistic jewelry. Less is more when it comes to jewelry. Opt for minimalistic and timeless pieces that add elegance without overwhelming your outfit. Hack 9. Keep your clothes wrinkle-free. Ironed and crease-free clothes always look more expensive. A quick steam or press can make a huge difference in how your outfit is perceived. Hack 10. Confidence is key. Finally, wear your outfit with confidence. Nothing is more stylish than owning your look and feeling good in what you're wearing. By following these style hacks, you can look effortlessly chic and expensive without emptying your wallet. Let me know which tip was your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fashion secrets. Remember, it's not about the price tag. It's about how you wear it.